I'm Henry and I'll be showing you how to install a fence extension. Check with your neighbours before putting the fence extension panels up. Who knows, they might even split the cost with you. You can pick up the fence extensions at Bunnings. You can leave them natural or you can paint them like we have. We've got some PPE, a tape measure, the impact driver and some galvanised screws. The first thing we need to do is measure up the fence. Now these come in 2.4 metres wide, so we need to measure the length of the fence and divide by 2.4 to work out how many we're going to need. So grab your tape and a friend and let's get measuring. The next step is we need to slip the fence extension panels over the fence. We need the long side of the panels to be on the front of the fence with the short side on the side with the rails. It's always a good idea to check with your local regulatory authority before you install a fence extension. Rules may depend on your colour, height, or even where it's been installed on the block. I'm using the 40mm galv screw to go through the front facing of the fence extension. These galv screws are weatherproof, which is the reason we're using these. We're going to put one 40mm galvanised screw into each post to secure it to the fence. Final step is we need to grab the impact driver and screw the galvanised screws through the fence extension to the fence rail. Impact drivers are louder than a regular drill, so make sure you use ear protection when using one. Always give it 2 test clicks to make sure she's on. Alrighty, how easy was that? We've got more height out of the fence, giving us more privacy, allowing us to whip out the banana lounge and bust out the budgie smugglers.